We sort of had an inkling this was coming. Adobe and Figma this morning announced the termination of their proposed $20 billion merger announced back in September of 2022. After seeing, quote, no clear path to UK or EU regulatory approval, quoting Reuters. Shares of the Photoshop and Illustrator maker, which will pay a termination fee of $1 billion to Figma, rose about 1.7% pre-market on Monday. Britain's competition watchdog earlier said on Monday that Adobe would not propose remedies to resolve regulatory concerns regarding the buyout. Adobe had argued it does not compete with Figma in any meaningful way. It had said in November its only product relevant to the antitrust question was the Adobe XD design tool, which lost $25 million as a standalone app over the last 3 years and has only 5 full-time employees. Adobe and Figma strongly disagree with the recent regulatory findings, but we believe it is in our respective best interests to move forward independently, Adobe CEO Shantanu Narayan said in a statement on Monday, end quote. After an extensive investigation, the UK regulator provisionally concluded last month that Adobe's acquisition of Figma could hinder competition in the product design software market, dampen innovation, and diminish Figma's challenge to Adobe's major products like Photoshop and Illustrator. The acquisition is perceived as Adobe's significant wager on the increasing trend of creative tasks being undertaken by small enterprises and general users online, a domain rapidly dominated by Figma. Although Adobe has launched more affordable options for this segment, the majority of its products remain high-end, targeted primarily at professional users.